Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Venmo outside US. Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Venmo outside the US safely and smoothly. First, you'll need a reliable VPN with US servers. NordVPN is a solid choice. Once you've signed up, download and install the VPN app on your device, then log in and connect to a US server. This gives you a US IP address, allowing you to access Venmo as if you were in the States. Next, open the Venmo app or website and sign in. You should now be able to use it without errors. If you run into issues, try clearing your browser cookies, restarting your device, or switching to a different server. Additionally, some VPNs may have special instructions or updates, so checking their support resources can save you time. By following the steps, you'll be able to enjoy Venmo from anywhere in the world safely, securely, and without interruptions. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.